This time of year, we also want to remember to mulch our trees, and please don't think this is how we do it, okay? I want to kind of review how we need to go about mulching our trees. Now, all too often, we see in the landscape where the mulch is piled up high on the trunk of the tree, and all this is doing is creating problems on that trunk of the tree because mulch really retains moisture. That's the value of it. And when you pile it up on the trunk of the tree, what's happening is you're causing problems where that moisture stays next to that bark and then will cause decay and issues, and insects and disease can start to kind of break into the trunk of the tree. So instead, what we want to do is make what we call tree wells. So this is where we maybe put just a couple of inches at the base of the tree. You can see where that tree flare starts to come out. You're going to put just a couple inches there, but then we're going to pull the rest of this mulch out away from the trunk and sort of create a donut effect out from around the tree. This, you can see it's a little bit thicker here, and then we'll slough it off as we go into the landscape here. What this is going to do is anytime you have rainfall, that moisture will sort of sit here, kind of keep it at the center of that tree, allow that moisture to percolate down into that root ball, but we're not keeping the moisture up along the tree. So no tree volcanoes, mulch volcanoes, we don't want any of that. We just want to make a nice donut around our tree. Now clearly we need a little bit more mulch. We're going to come back and mulch this whole area, but I just wanted to review how to mulch nice tree wells around your trees.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.